Hi, this is Jeff with Urban DIY TV, and today we're going to go over how to edit your YouTube channel URL. So let's go ahead and dive in here and take a look. Let's go straight to your dashboard and go to settings. So when you're in settings, you go to channel and you're going to go all the way over here to feature eligibility. You're going to hit right down here, click the link to see your current status and additional features. So now you come to this page. Right here, you're going to see where it says custom URL. You're eligible for custom URL, claim it here. All right. So now you can go right here and you can do your thing, whatever you want to type in. So let's just say user ID next. Oh, that's the that's you got to copy that. But right here, claim it here. So there you go, change URL, I've agreed to terms, bam, confirm choice, and there you go. Now you've claimed the URL, and I hope this helps some of you guys. It's pretty easy, but you see what you got to do. A couple steps, you got to make sure you're eligible, then you got to go through and actually change it. So we'll see you guys on the next video.